In this video, I will show you how to start Azure Fabric trial. You need to go to this URL f.fabric.microsoft.com. Log in with your Azure account. Let's click onto your profile. Here we have the option to start the trial. The message is showing here. Upgrade to a free Microsoft Fabric trial. Let's click on Start Trial. Here we need to provide the details. Next, click on Submit. It is showing message successfully upgraded to Microsoft Fabric Preview. It is also showing trial 59 days left. Here we can view all the Fabric offerings: data engineering, data factory, data science, data warehouse, Power BI, real-time analytics. Now you can start exploring fabrics.